So this is a Libman Spray Mop. They're very handy for quick cleanups and small jobs. I use it quite frequently here, and I have multiple. So it has a reservoir here, and you can fill it with pretty much any kind of floor solution. It works on wood floors, it works on tile floors. Requires no batteries. It has a removable and replaceable microfiber cleaning pad. You pull it off. This is a very good product. I've had this one for about 4 or 5 months, and it's done the job. Libman Spray Mop.